So this is the Euro Pound analysis for Wednesday 29th of November. Now before we begin the analysis, a quick risk disclaimer. And with the risk disclaimer out of the way, we can begin the analysis. So the 28th was just about there. So on the 28th, we were saying a potential breakdown. We could see us test this 89.20, where we might catch a bit of a bid in around to this 89.45. We were expecting possibly a sell-off. We did mention also in around this. We did mention. Bear with me a second here. We did mention on the previous analysis video that we were, if we did see as break and hold above this 89.45, we were looking for a run possibly to 90.24. We'll see how we react in around 90 and also the most recent highs in around this 89.70 region. Now we have traded above the 89.70. We traded all the way up to 89.80, slightly above 89.80 actually by the looks of it. We'll see where that is. So we did trade all the way up to beyond this 89.70 that we were expecting a turnaround. We traded all the way up to 89.81, so it's 11 pips. We overshot by 11 pips. Sorry about that. We did overshoot by 11 pips or so, but what we did see was this strong selling momentum coming, and this is pretty much pound strength. We've seen it across pretty much every single pound pair. In around 5 p.m. on the 28th, we did see some pound strength, likely some unscheduled news event. And as we can see here, in around this 89.70, we did see 89.81, we did see some strong selling momentum. Now we did say we were expecting 88.74 to be the far end of the range. We did overshoot that. We came all the way down to 88.51, which is the next major level of support. Now we didn't see much of a reaction to the 200-400 period moving average, and 88.74 did appear at one point with the wick that we might hold that level, but as we can see, we've come all the way down to 88.51 before we've caught a bit of a bid here. So in around 88.51, we potentially see price going to 88.74. We've actually had a test of this 88.74 so far, so we'll see whether we do break down from 88.74 and we test 88.51 again. If we get continuation of the pound strength, we're potentially looking for the pound to head down to 88.20, and beyond which we're looking for 87.95. Now, if we do have a strong, if the strength of this fundamental catalyst continues, we have to look at levels below where we are at present. So we could potentially see the euro pound head towards this 87.83, depending on market volatility. And then again, that might not be the far end of the range. So we will have a look. There we are, 88.50. Yes, 88.50. So if we do see more selling momentum coming in regards to the euro pound, we could potentially see the far end of the range being around this 87.50. But we do have to be aware of 88.20, 88 level, as well as 87.83. These are the key level are already marked out here in red. So 88.50 and 87.83 before we look at 87.50. Sorry. So 88.50, 87.83, and 87.50. We'll see how we react to the minor levels marked out here in blue in around this 88.20 and this 88 level. For potential areas where we might see some buy side momentum come into the market. If however we do hold 88.50, we'll see how if we can successfully navigate 88.74. We have to be aware of the 400 and the 200 period moving average currently sitting in around 89 level, in around 89 and 88.80. 88.80. Let's just I'm just gonna have a check. Yes, so the 200 period moving average is in around 89.03, and the 400 period moving average is in at 88.90. So we'll see how prices react if we do get up to these levels where we do see some more selling momentum take us all the way back down to 88.50. Beyond which we're looking to see how price reacts to 89.20 and 89.45, which has been a very strong level, and we could potentially retrace in time if we do head up towards that 89.80 level. Now those are levels that we are looking at for the euro pound. Overall, we have to see how we react to 88.74 from where we are at present. Now, let's just have a look at the, tripping over my words here. Let's just have a look at the daily chart for wrapping up. So, let's just get this on here correct. Now, on this daily chart, we've been operating within a bit of a trading range. lower end of the range being all the way down here, and the upper end being around at 90.24. So on this occasion, we have not retested this 90.24. We've had 3 tests of 90.24 where we have seen some sell-offs in this market. We've not had a test this time, but we have posted here on this daily chart a very strong bearish candle. And as you can see, a large wick to the upside and a very sizable body. Although we have seemed to have caught a bit of a wick bid as we have come down to 88.51, and we do seem to have had a bit of a wick there. So we'll see how price react, whether we do get some further retracement all the way up to possibly 89.20. But overall, we do appear weak. Let's just get these on there properly. So overall, we do appear weak. Potentially we have a high there, potentially we have a lower high, but we have to see how price reacts to this 88.50 where we do see a breakdown, and we can head towards the lower end of the range where we previously caught a bit of a bid. So yeah, that should wrap up the Euro Pound analysis. Thanks for watching.